So hi everyone. In the previous classes we have found that how to check the continuity, and we have made a statement that every modulus function is a continuous function and every polynomial function is a continuous function. So in this class we are going to check other type of function is also continuous or not. So first question is going to be check the points where the constant function f of x is continuous. Means we need to check the continuous of the constant function. So instead of the like that we need to check the which points where the constant function is continuous. So first observe here. So we have the two-dimensional graph for constant function. F of x is equal to k and is going to be x axis and y axis. Since from the basic meaning of continuous we can draw a constant function without lifting pen, so easily we can say that the constant function is continuous function. So for proof, so given f of x is equal to k, they have given that f of x is equal to k. So clearly f of x defined for all real numbers. Suppose if you have given any real number, the output, the range is going to be always k. So like that, for given f of x is equal to k, clearly f of x defined for all real numbers. So we can say that domain of this function is going to be R. Suppose if we have taken any arbitrary constant a from real numbers, means we have taken any arbitrary constant from domain of f. We are picking a particular point a. We are picking particular point a from the domain of R. So because we have defined that R is nothing but domain of f. So arbitrary constant a which is belongs to R be any real number of its domain. Suppose we have substitute in the place of x is equal to a, f of a is equal to k, because it is a constant function. Due to the constant function, f of a is equal to k. Suppose if you have applied, if you have searched for, if you have found that LHL as well as RHL is nothing but k only. So therefore we can say that f of x is continuous at x is equal to a. Suppose if you have taken any other arbitrary constant like b, c, d, suppose 1, 2, 4, 5, so always it is going to be k only. That is f is continuous at every point of its domain. Suppose if you are picking any point at domain R, so for particular domain R, f is always continuous. Therefore f is continuous function. Here f is nothing but a constant function. So every constant function is a continuous at domain of R. So we can say that the constant function is continuous at every point of domain R. So in the previous classes we have found that every modulus function is continuous function, every polynomial function is continuous function. So here every constant function is also a continuous function. Every constant function is also continuous function. So next problem is show that the function f given by f of x is equal to x cube plus 3 if x not equal to 0. They have given the split function here. So 1 if x is equal to 0. Observe here, f of x is equal to x cube plus 3 if x not equal to 0, and and 1 if x is equal to 0. So we need to show that is not continuous at x is equal to 0. We need to check that the given function is not continuous at x is equal to 0. They have already mentioned that we need to check the continuity of the given function at x is equal to 0. So we can say that, so given function f of x is equal to, the given function f of x is equal to x cube plus 3 if x not equal to 0. So 1 if x is equal to 0. So observe here, suppose if x not equal to 0, when x is greater than or less than 0, the given function is x cube plus 3. At particular x is equal to 0, the value is going to be 1. Suppose we are going to check the continuity at particular 0. So at x is equal to 0, f of 0 is nothing but 1. F of 0 is nothing but 1. Therefore f of 0 is equal to 0. So to check the LHL limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus, observe here, when x is less than 0, f of x is equal to x cube plus 3. So when x is greater than 0, f of x is equal to x cube plus 3 only, because they have mentioned that if the value of x is not equal to 0, we need to consider the function f of x is equal to x cube plus 3. Suppose if they have given x is equal to 0, the f of x is equal to 1. So we have found that f of 0 is equal to 0. So we are finding that limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus x cube plus 3 is equal to limit. We are applying a small quantity. That small quantity is nothing but h. So limit h tends to 0. Instead of x, we need to substitute 0 minus h is nothing but a minus h is nothing but c minus h. So here 0 minus h whole cube, because they have given x cube here. So 0 minus h whole cube plus 3. So 0 minus h is nothing but minus h whole cube. So minus h whole cube is nothing but minus h cube plus 3. Minus h cube plus 3. Suppose we are applying the small quantity h is equal to 0. So minus h whole cube is nothing but minus 0 whole cube. Minus 0 whole cube is nothing but 0 only. So 0 plus 3 is nothing but 3 only. So 3. So we have found that LHL is nothing but 3. So we have found that here f of 0 is equal to 0 and LHL is equal to 0. So clearly we can say that at particular point 0, the function is not continuous. So we have shown that at particular point 0, the given function is not continuous. So since we need to check the RHL, so RHL limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. So limit x tends to 0 plus x cube plus 3. So we are applying a small quantity, h is equal to 0. So h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0, 0 plus h. In LHL we have mentioned that 0 minus h. In RHL we need to mention 0 plus h whole cube plus 3. So limit h tends to 0, h cube plus 3. Here h is nothing but 0, 0 cube means 0, 0 plus 3 is nothing but 3. So in RHL we have found that 3, LHL is equal to 3, but f of 0 is equal to, we have found that 1. So limit LHL equal to RHL, but f of 0 is not equal to LHL and RHL. So it is not continuous at x is equal to 0. We can say that the given function is discontinuous at x is equal to 0. Is discontinuous at x is equal to 0. So we can find, so it is not necessary to find out RHL. So similarly we can just say by using the LHL only, the given function is discontinuous at x is equal to 0. But according to the process we need to check the RHL also. So here so next problem, find all points of discontinuity of f of x is equal to, observe here question, f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 if x less than or equal to 2. So 2x minus 3 if x greater than 2. Observe here we need to find all points of discontinuity. We need to check in which points this function is going to be discontinuity. Means we need to check how many points are there where the function is discontinuous at the particular points. So f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 if x less than or equal to 2. F of x is equal to 2x minus 3 if x greater than 2. So observe here, when x is less than or equal to 2, when x is less than or equal to 2, f of x is going to be 2x plus 3. They have mentioned that they have given a split function. If x less than or equal to 2 is nothing but 2x plus 3. If x greater than or equal, if x is greater than means greater than 2 means 2x minus 3. So observe here, when x is less than or equal to 2, f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. When x is greater than 2, f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. Observe here just only this function. When x is less than or equal to 2, f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. Suppose if you have taken any point which is less than or equal to 2, because we are choosing only the domain. If you are picking any domain which is less than or equal to 2, the function is going to be 2x plus 3. So f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 means it's nothing but a polynomial function. So last class we have found that every polynomial function is a continuous function. So similarly, for this function, for the particular case, when x is less than or equal to 2, f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 is a continuous function. Suppose if you have chosen when x is greater than 2, when x is greater than 2, f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3. So here also f of x is a polynomial function. So every polynomial function is a continuous function. Therefore, f is continuous. But how can we find the discontinuity here? So they have mentioned that we need to find the discontinuity of f of x. So observe here. Suppose if you are picking any domain which is less than or equal to 2, the function is continuous function, isn't it? Suppose if you are picking any domain which is greater than 2, the function is also continuous function, and in which cases the function is going to be discontinuous. So suppose if the point 2, at particular point 2, if you have checked the continuity, suppose if it is continuous at particular point 2, we can say that f is continuous. There will be no points of discontinuity. Suppose at particular point 2, because they have given here, observe here, if they have given where the function is going to be break is 2. Suppose if you have checked at particular point 2, if it's continuous, there will be no point of discontinuity. Suppose if it is not continuous at particular point 2, we can say that the given function is discontinuous at x is equal to 2. Are you getting the point? So here we need to check that the given function is continuous at x is equal to 2 or not. So observe here, at x is equal to 2. At x is equal to 2, f of 2 is equal to 2 into x plus 3. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, because when x is less than or equal to, so we have chosen x is equal to 2. So f of 2 is equal to 2x plus 3. Instead of x, we are going to substitute 2. 2 is 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Similarly, to check LHL, limit x tends to 2 minus f of x is equal to, because we have chosen 2 minus here. So limit x tends to 2 minus, so 2x plus 3, because they have given that when x is less than or equal to, we need to choose the function 2x plus 3. So we have taken the LHL, so which is less than 2, so we have chosen 2x plus 3 here. So limit h tends to 0, 2 into 0 minus h, because we have chosen LHL, we are applying a small quantity h plus 3. So 2 into 0 is nothing but 0, 2 minus h is nothing but minus 2h plus 3. Suppose you are applying a small quantity h is equal to 0, 2 into 0 is equal to 0, 0 plus 3 is nothing but 3. So similarly, we have found that RHL is also 3. So f is discontinuous at x is equal to 2. How can we say that? Because f of 2 is equal to 7, LHL is equal to 3, RHL is equal to 3. Suppose if the function is continuous, they must satisfy the condition that f of c is equal to LHL is equal to RHL. But here LHL is equal to RHL. Here LHL is equal to RHL, but f of c is not equal to LHL as well as RHL. So we can say that the given function is discontinuous function at x is equal to 2. At x is equal to 2. So pause the video to note it down. So next question is, find the points of discontinuity of f of x is equal to x cube minus 3 if x is less than or equal to 2, x cube if x is greater than 2. So you can solve yourself it at your home. So next question is, find all points of discontinuity of f of x plus 1 if x is greater than or equal to 1, x square plus 1 if x is less than 1. So in the previous problem we have mentioned that how to check the discontinuity points. So in similar way you can find the solution for these two problems. So next problem is, find all points of discontinuity of f of x is equal to modulus x divided by x if x not equal to 0. Observe here. So f of x is equal to modulus of x divided by x if x not equal to 0, and 0 if x is equal to 0. So they have given the modulus function. Suppose if they have given the modulus function, we need to break the function. We need to break, or we need to split the function. Suppose when the value of x is greater than 0, so domain, so when the domain is greater than 0, f of x is going to be x by x. So x by x is nothing but 1. Suppose when the value of x is greater than 0, f of x is equal to 1. Observe here. So when the value of x is less than 0, f of x is going to be minus x divided by x is equal to 1. Minus x divided by x is equal to, minus 1. Minus 1. Suppose, so in both the cases, f of x is nothing but a constant function. Observe here, f of x is equal to 1 is nothing but some k. F of x is equal to minus 1 is also some k. So here also a constant function, here also constant function. Suppose if you are going to split the function, so in the both the cases f of x is constant function, so it is a continuous function. Suppose we need to check the discontinuity, we need to check the particular point 0, because they have given that 0 here. At particular, suppose 0, if we check the particular point f is equal to the given function at x is equal to 0, if the given function is continuous at x is equal to 0, we can say that it is a continuous function, there will be no points of discontinuity. Suppose at particular point 0, the given function is discontinuous, we can say that the points of discontinuity is nothing but at x is equal to 0. We need to check the at x is equal to 0, f of 0 means they have given that x is equal to 0 means f of x is going to be 0. So similarly f of 0 is equal to 0. So RHL observe here, limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. So since it is a constant function, there will be not necessary to apply the small quantity, is nothing but 1. So LHL is nothing but minus 1, because LHL is not equal to RHL, is also not equal to f of c. Therefore it is a discontinuous at x is equal to 0. Observe the graph here. So for all x greater than 0, it can be drawn like this without lifting pen. Suppose for all x less than 0, we can draw a graph like this without lifting pen. At particular x is equal to 0, the function is going to be here. So it is a discontinuous function at x is equal to 0. Suppose if you have only the function which is greater than 0, we can say that it is a continuous function. Suppose if it is less than 0, we can say it is a continuous function, but at particular point 0, it is a discontinuous. So the point of discontinuity is x is equal to 0. Similarly, we have another problem. Find all points of discontinuity of f of x is equal to x divided by modulus of x, x divided by modulus of x, if x is less than 0, so minus 1 if x is greater than or equal to 0, greater than or equal to. So they have given a modulus function here in the denominator, so we need to split the function. When x is less than 0, when x is less than 0, f of x is equal to x divided by minus x, x divided by minus x is equal to minus 1 is nothing but minus 1. So when x is greater than 0, f of x is equal to minus 1. So when we are substituting at x is equal to 0, f of 0 is nothing but minus 1, they are already given in the question. So we can check the question at, so therefore f of x is equal to minus 1 for all x belongs to R, because we have chosen R as a domain. So if you are picking any points in a domain, is nothing but minus 1, because it is a constant function. Therefore every constant function is a continuous function. So there will be no points of discontinuity in this problem. There is no point of discontinuity, because observe the graph here. If you are drawing the function in a two-dimensional graph, we can draw without lifting pen. Without lifting pen means the given function is continuous function. Therefore the given function f of x is equal to x divided by mod x, x divided by mod x if x is less than 0, minus 1 if x is greater than 0 is a continuous function, it containing no points of discontinuity, So I think you may be understanding these problems. You need to solve yourself but at your home, so it can get a good attention over the continuity. So exercise number 5.1 you can solve by yourself only. So some problems are solved in these videos. So be tuned here for more updates. Thank you.